How are you?
Like the jacket,
Oh,
man.
yeah, you got it.
Like the jacket,
Got
man.
it from D&K.
That's nice,
Yeah.
man. Okay,
Did you watch the preliminaries?
No, we didn't watch.
We didn't make it. We
We're here for the football game.
Football game. So
Yeah.
so there are two things happening here: football and Miss Universe.
Yeah.
You went to it?
Marquis One Tower, 245 Peachtree Center Avenue. Say hi to Miss Martha. I miss you saying now. And she's I saw you in Ireland.
I'm supporting USA also.
Also, wow. Hello to my mom, Consuelo Parash, to my dad, Ernesto Parash Sr., and to my late grandmother, Maximina Pachawaran. I'm here in Tyler Perry Studios, entering the parking lot. The Steve Harvey Show. Ticket. Steve.
To have that damn dope.
The parking, or yeah, the guide.
how are you?
How are you?
Like the jacket,
Oh,
man.
yeah, you got it.
Like the jacket,
Got
man.
it from D&K.
That's nice, man.
Yeah.
Okay, party of two. What's the other person?
Just me.
Just you?
I just did that just for you.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Put that on your dash. You're going
Okay.
down to Soundstage 5 and to your left.
Okay, thank you. This is the stage 5 audience. Gazzini! Gazzini! Miss Philippines! 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 Mabuhay! That's Miss Philippines, Philippine flag. That's Miss Laos, national costume. I think that will be elephant.
Don't forget to vote for us.
They already did.
You did?
Yes.
No, it's a start tomorrow
The vote for
for the costume.
no, for the top 20.
Oh, you did?
Yes,
Oh, thank you
yes.
so much.
Yes, yes. But
So,
this one is
for tomorrow. For tomorrow.
Yes,
so
tomorrow. Okay.
don't
maybe
forget to
yes.
vote for us.
Yes.
Laos.
And she deserves it.
Yes.
Yes,
She
yeah.
did an amazing job.
Yeah, Laos.
Yes.
I just can't pronounce her name.
Well, her nickname is May, but her real name is Vichita.
Okay. She like an actress there in Laos.
She's a supermodel.
Supermodel.
Yes.
Wow, Miss Laos.
Yes.
Yeah, that's really nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, we love you, Miss Laos.
All right. Don't forget to vote for us now.
Yeah, I promise.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll see you Sunday.
See you Sunday.
Yeah.
See you.
Sunday.
Did you watch the preliminaries?
No, we
You're here
didn't
for something
watch.
else?
We didn't make it. We
We're here for the football game.
Football game. So
Yeah.
there are two things happening here: football and Miss Universe.
Yeah.
You went to it?
Yeah. Because we're supporting Philippines.
Yeah.
Yes,
Philippines?
Yes. Have you seen her? She's very pretty.
Very
I've
pretty.
not seen her.
Really? What's her name?
Gazzini Granados.
Gazzini Granados.
Yes. And yeah, Miss USA, she's great too.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
When did y'all
I don't
get
know
in? When did
much.
y'all get in town, man?
3 days ago.
Oh, man.
Flew here?
So, yeah, I flew from
Been
Mississippi.
staying here?
I'm from Mississippi. I've been to Louisiana a lot.
Awesome, man.
Oh,
LSU,
okay.
LSU.
Yes, LSU.
Hell yeah.
You're real
Louisiana
live?
State University.
Yeah, we're
Yes,
live.
we're live. Yeah. So I'm gonna put this on my YouTube channel too. Yes.
And you're here for Miss
For Miss Universe.
Universe.
And for Sunday too. For the live, I have a VIP ticket. Yes. And also, I was morning with Steve Harvey.
Really?
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Show, physical therapist.
Okay.
But this is just like a hobby, kind of de-stressor.
Yeah.
Remove the stress. Yeah. But on Steve Harvey, you'll see it. He's gonna post it on January 2020. Steve, his new show is Steve, but it's not.
Steve?
It's not on air. It's an internet show. And it's gonna be on Facebook.
Yeah.
And you were with him?
I didn't expect, but I played a role there on stage, and so that's why he spoke to me, shook hands with me. So very lucky.
It's awesome,
In
man.
Tyler Perry Studios.
That's good.
So I was there. Yeah.
It's awesome.
So when is this airing?
This is this one was a pay-per-view. But this Sunday is the finals night. So it's gonna be
Is it gonna be live on TV?
6
Yeah.
Central or
Right.
7 Eastern.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We'll be
in
home by
Fox.
then. I
Yeah,
love
Yeah,
watching
in
these.
Fox. Yeah.
Stella.
USA has a great chance too.
Really?
You are from Louisiana?
Yeah, I was looking for her, but we couldn't find her.
Yeah, I'm from Mississippi. Greenville, Mississippi.
Yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, you're just right there. I know Louisiana.
You're a Mississippi State fan?
Mississippi State fan. Yeah, I have a flag of that in Greenville, Mississippi.
Really?
I get to Starkville. I watch the game.
So that's Greenville, and we passed on the way
Yeah.
up here.
Yeah, Greenville,
Okay.
Mississippi. Yes, yes.
Go Tigers.
Go Tigers.
I did a Texas. I did a Texas.
Yeah, I'm a big
Yeah.
fan.
Go Tigers.
Go Tigers. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. Hello guys, I'm driving now to Atlanta Marriott Marquis. It's 8:40 a.m. and our check-in time is 9 a.m. for the dress rehearsal of Miss Universe 2019 delegates. It's a VIP elevated experience. Driving right now to Atlanta Marriott Marquis Hotel for the VIP check-in dress rehearsal for Miss Universe 2019 delegates. Hi guys, here at Atlanta Marriott Marquis 1 Tower, 245 Beachview Center Avenue for the Miss Universe 2019 VIP elevated experience. The Portland entrance.
The corner, down the hall, behind the staircase, take the parking elevator down if you want.
Say it again.
Down the hall, and take the escalator down. So,
Okay, thank you. Headed to the Portland entrance. This is the back of the line. Going down, we're gonna check in, and then shuttle Tyler Perry Studios for the Miss Universe 2019 dress rehearsal. We're going down. Yes. This is the line. You see the line? Headed to the dress rehearsal. This
Yeah, this is
Oh, this one. Oh, okay. This is.
USA.
Thailand. Thailand. Say hi to Miss Thailand. Miss USA now. And she's I saw you in Ireland.
I'm supporting USA also.
Also, wow. You all like it?
Oh, no, I live here. Yeah, we live here too.
She's Miss Georgia, the National American Miss. She's Miss Florida, Georgia under A&M. So they're the junior teams, preteens, supporting USA.
Thank you. Miss Georgia for National American Miss.
National American Miss. And part of Georgia. Part of Georgia. 2020. Congratulations. Miss Universe VIP.
We're going to start checking it as late as
Getting my lanyard. Miss Universe. For us.
when you walk out. Yeah. How are you? Perfect. I can have both of you come over here for a blue wristband. We're going to get a blue wristband.
Easy week for
One
you.
needs to step over to
Get coffee yet?
There is no seat assignment, so they will put you exactly where they need you to sit there because they test. I
Wristband.
need 2 red wristbands, please.
Sure. Sir.
It's ready.
Thank you.
You can just exit straight in the back.
Okay.
I'll have your wrist, please.
Got my lanyard. It's my wristband. My VIP. This is the shuttle. Hello, how are you doing?
Welcome aboard. Watch your
Good.
step.
Good. Shuttle. Shuttle.